Eureka exists to give you freedom and control over your most important asset, time. The first question is, where do we start? With your outcome at the center of everything we do, we've created Invest, a revolutionary approach to achieving your goals, making your money work for you. It's about time. Central to Invest is our Tomorrow Builder. Built on over a century of evidence, it asks just 3 questions. How long, how much, and an optional lump sum. Invest has been uniquely designed around your how long, time, the one constant we all share. Eureka shows you how, with time, it's realistic to aim for an outcome that fits even the most ambitious tomorrow. An outcome where there's no restriction, an outcome that is far more than just numbers. Try for yourself and take the first steps towards building your tomorrow today. And with our flat £5 monthly subscription fee, it means more of your money working for you. It's never been easier to start, and there's so much more to come. Eureka, it's about time.